Dennis again, back here at Roost Vans. Well, actually, I never really left. So what we're going over right now is our entire paneling system. And right now, this video, we're going to focus on the mid. And in our mid wall paneling kit, it's shown here with a padded gray heather fabric wrap. It's also available in bamboo. Typically, the padded gray heather fabric wrap is the most common option, and it comes as a kit that installs directly into the body of the van. Super cost-effective product, installs super fast, gives you a really good fit and finish. And in this mid-wall kit right now, what you're seeing in this 148 extended van are the inset bamboo panels. Now these inset bamboo panels give you much more usage of the width of your van. We don't do panel overs. It doesn't give you much more insulation effectiveness. It gives you a lot more insulation, but not much more effectiveness. And it completely eliminates this opportunity you have for more visual width in your van, as well as me being 6 foot tall, do my yoga pose here, then I can sleep side to side without having flare spaces installed. Super great opportunity for a value option in doing a DIY. Comes with these clips to install your inset bamboo panels. These panels are also available as fabric padded that are shown on the trim around, but we tend to mostly install the bamboo ceilings, the fabric wall, and then the bamboo insets because it's just a nice detail. So check us out at roostvans.com.